Welcome to our next tutorial in GIMP. Now, in our previous tutorials of GIMP, you may have asked yourself, how do I install those scripts, plugins, and brushes that I see on the internet for GIMP? For example, we actually had a filter earlier that we used called the advanced tone mapping, and we actually had to install that into our GIMP plugins folder, and the wavelet denoise we also had to install. So how do you do that? Well, once you find the plugin of your choice, for example, when we had to get wavelet denoise, you can go into your folders for GIMP, usually under Program Files, GIMP 2, and then you'll see the different folders you have for GIMP. If you go into the lib folder, then go into GIMP, then go to 2.0 or whatever the version is, you will find the plugins folder. And this is the folder you will want to bring any plugins that are exe files that GIMP uses as extra plugins for its program. As you can see here, the wavelet denoise program is where we put that plugin. For other different things you want to put in your GIMP program, you go to the share folder, the GIMP folder inside there, the version folder inside there, and then you can see that there are brushes folders, scripts folders, and various other folders you can bring extra things into GIMP to use for your projects. So if you have a script, for example, the advanced tone mapping script, this is where it goes inside your GIMP program. And once you put those files into the correct folders you need to put them in, all you have to do is restart your GIMP, and you're ready to use your scripts, plugins, and brushes.